Welcome to your Money Monday.
How are you utilizing video conferencing, showings, and open houses in today's new normal? Hey, I'm Rich Motz. Welcome to Money Monday, session 199. First of all, how many of you are connecting with your clients, coworkers, and vendors more than ever right now via video? I mean, even socially, I attended 5 or 6 virtual concerts this week with my musician friends, attended several virtual happy hours this week with my work and vendors, and was on with thousands of people this week via Zoom, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Google Hangouts, and Google Meet. How about you? I mean, I have friends and colleagues that thought they would always love to be working at home. How great that would be. And they are sitting at home, tick tock, missing the human interaction of their coworkers and collaboration, actually. So showings and open houses, right now for everyone's safety, virtual open houses is where it's at. With all the public on social media more than ever right now, it's a great time to host virtual open houses. I've been talking about how essential video is to the real estate business for hundreds of videos, stating that it's where the consumer wants to find you. Whoever imagined that video will go from being essential to being crucial to your business? Now more than ever, you need to be communicating with your clients, your sphere of influence, and your past customers via video. Utilizing things like Zoom, Google Hangouts, Google Meet, FaceTime, Skype, Facebook Live, utilizing the WhatsApp, Google Duo, Instagram Live, and YouTube Live. Or at the minimum, utilize YouTube Premiere, where you can pre-record your video to your open house and then announce it that it's going to be open at a certain time, and you can schedule it on your YouTube Premiere to, for example, be Sunday at 2 p.m. And boom, it premieres right at 2 p.m. and everyone's there to see it, and it notifies everyone, so it's pretty good. So that way it can be live virtually on the number 2 search engine on the world, and it remains there on the number 2 search engine in the world for everyone to see it. So that's a great thing, YouTube Premiere, to use. Also, Facebook Premiere, where you can record it, download it in your Facebook account as a Premiere, real similar to what I just said with YouTube. But the cool thing about it is then you can chat with people as they view it at the time you select to premiere it. So that's a great thing. So where and when should you do these virtual open houses? Where? On Facebook Live, Instagram Live, and YouTube Live. But now that YouTube Live requires you to have over 1,000 subscribers before you actually can go live on YouTube, you can get around that with apps like Streamlabs, Lula, or actually the last one is, Castr, C-A-S-T-R is actually what you can do. I know that Lula actually allows you to add TikTok, Instagram, and Tinder to go automatically live. So you can go to YouTube and those 3 other vendors too. Or you can go here, I put a link in here that you can organically build your followers to over 1,000 people on YouTube. So there's a great link in here how to do that from Hootsuite actually. So how can you truly and organically go live both on Facebook and Instagram at the same time? You can buy a selfie stick that holds 2 phones and log into both your accounts at the same time, Facebook and Instagram, and record yourself or have someone else record yourself. Okay? And then back to Facebook. Encourage people to subscribe to your page and then turn on notifications when you go live or premiere a video, so they can actually, boom, it will pop up in their feed for you. So that's something you want to be doing nowadays. Facebook gives you that, both the immediate live when you do a live Facebook that keeps the video on your page for future views, while Instagram is more like the now live audience that disappears after 24 hours. So it's important for you to have both of those and get in those algorithms, even though they're owned by the same folks. So let's face it, now more than ever, live stream and recorded video of you interacting with your clients, co-op realtors, real estate vendors is more appreciated by them and differentiates you from your competition, instead of you just explaining the terms on the phone. Do your virtual meeting actually via Google Meet and share your screen, or Zoom and share your screen. Those are great 2 apps to actually share your screen while you're talking to people. If a customer or a vendor doesn't have their hair done that day or don't have their makeup done and doesn't want to use the camera, fine. But hopefully you'll be ready to do it and they'll be able to see you and work with you. So they'll be able to connect with you and see your screen and feel more connected with you by seeing your face in this world of isolation pretty much. So think about that. Think about doing initial buyer consults via Google Hangouts, Meet, Zoom, FaceTime, etc. Personal video showings, actually you can do via Google Hangouts, Meet, or Zoom. It allows you to bring the parents, kids, whoever you want to the showings and add them onto it. It lets you ask questions and interact actually. And of course, FaceTime. It actually allows you to invite multiple participants for showings, and that will work in a quick pinch also. Personal video text of you communicating to the clients via your text itself or bomb emails communicating is more important than ever during these times and will get you in the habit of communicating to your clients this way in the future, allowing you to make that deeper, more personal connection with your clients and vendors that will differentiate you now and will last the rest of your real estate career. Every statistic out there says that video conferencing, video communication via text, and video via email blows away the traditional phone call. Video allows you to share your gestures, your body movement, and your facial expressions to your eye contact and making a positive first impression on your clients, and more importantly, allows you to often read your customers much better than you could on a phone call. So you can see what they're up to also. So welcome to the new essential world of video and our new normal. I hope you liked this video, and as you know, it's real important to actually take action now and start using these video communications. If you need any help with setting up this video communications, reach out to me. I'm Rich Motz, and I will see you next Money Monday for Money Monday session 200. All right, thank you folks very much. Have a great day.